Welcome back to the channel called CAD with Mr. Hugh. This is the second part of a two-part series of videos covering how to draw the castle door for a fairy tale story. And in the previous video, we drew the outline of the frame or the door of the castle door. In today's video, we'll be putting on the pattern, the doors, and the frame and coloring the outer frame of the door so it resembles a fairy tale story. Now, there are different commands that we'll be using. We'll be using the draw tool, then we'll be using the circle tool, we'll be using the offset command, we'll be using the hatch tool, and we'll also be using the um, gradient hatch so that we can color it to get different gradients. And this is what we'll be producing at the end of the video. So we'll start in the video now. And this is how you would draw the given figure that is shown on the left of the screen. So on the left on the screen, we have the door for the castle. We're doing a door for a fairy tale castle. So for those of us who like to read fairy tale stories, we could use our Autocad software to draw the door for the castle. All right. So our castle is set up on a hill, a faraway hill in somewhere in Europe. All right. So here in the last video would have had this outline, right? What I'm gonna do is draw the outer one now. We're gonna use the offset command. So this is offset. So here we click on it and it says specify the distance. So we are in millimeters. So I'm gonna put 2 millimeters. And here it says so we offset there, 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 there. Then enter. We're gonna use the fillet command now to close the thing. So we go fillet. I click here, there. Now the command went away. So I'm gonna show you how you can do multiple fillets. So we press enter to get back the last command. I'm gonna press multiple. So we click this line, we click this line, we click this line, we click this line. There's a fillet automatically closing for us. Click this line, enter. So we did two commands so far. So we did the offset and we did the fillet. We did a single fillet and then we did a multiple fillet. The purpose of the multiple fillet, we don't need to have to be selecting the fillet tool at the end of each fillet. All right. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna draw a line to separate the doors, okay? So we're gonna go to a line command and we're gonna go from here. We're gonna let the object snap pick up the midpoint and we're gonna go straight up to we're gonna turn off the snap and there it is. That is our door. Now this line, you see thinner than the outline of the door. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you now how can you change this line and put it on a line which has a thicker line weight. So we click on the line and we drop down here and my outline has a thicker line. See there it is thicker. All right, good. Now the next I need to change it to the outline so that the object is has a line weight of 0.3. What I'm gonna do now, I'm going to put on this pattern that resembles the castle door. Good. So I'm going to go to my hatch tool. I'm going to select my hatch. Then I believe is this one angle. Yes. So this is how you hatch. Click there. Click there. Good. Now looking on the hatch which I did here, you see that this one here, which is what I want, is um thinner than this one. So this is on this hatch is on the outline layer. So I want to change it to the default layer 0. and then it will appear to be thinner. So let us change it right here. So drop down this arrow on the properties and we change this to layer 0. Click outside, and then now when I press escape, you can see that it has the same line width as the finished drawing on the left. Now the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna draw two circles to represent the handles of the door. I'm gonna let the outline stay because I want the handles to be thicker. So we come here, circle, circle. Need to turn off object snap. All right, so we come here, and there's the door handle, right? We're gonna copy it and put it on the other side. So we're gonna go copy, select the object, press enter. We're gonna turn on back our object snap to pick up the middle, the center of the circle. I'm gonna put it right here. Enter, right? Or the next thing I'm gonna do now, so I'm gonna color the outer frame of our fairy tale castle door. So I'm gonna go to gradient under the hatch tool, and I'm gonna select GR linear, and then I'm gonna click it here, right? Then I want it to have this red color over here. So what I'm gonna change the gradient over this side from yellow to red. And this is how we got the fairy tale looking door, and the handles were colored also. All right, so this brings us to the end of our fairy tale castle door. It's a door that maybe your main character could use, maybe Cinderella, to escape from the fairy tale castle up on the hill. And we thank you for joining us. And in the next video, we'll be looking at third angle projection. We at we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we hope that you found the commands that we use today to produce the drawings useful. So take care until we meet again. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.